What's up? DeathStroke895 here, and today I'm making a video on, basically, I'm going to be making a video on slime. So I have this cotton ball slime. I just put cotton balls in my good slime. Yeah.
Don't know why.
Yeah, I don't know why either, but it's pretty good. I'm just going to take a piece out so it's not too much. It's still a little sticky, so you can roll it in a ball, make it not as sticky, see? It's just still kind of sticky, of course, but no one cares about that. That slime's not very good. Now, of course, as you can see, I'm making a slime right now.
And you put glitter in it.
I'm obsessed with slime. It's so cool. And I have another secret slime for the end. My cousin's not going to show you. He's the video taper right now, so add a little bit more detergent. Just a drop. No, that there, right in your spoon. Okay, that should be enough. So I'm going to take the dirt and just put it to the side. And while I am basically mixing this, I am going to take my amazing crunchy slime, guys. Seriously, tell them how good this is.
I don't know why you're telling me that, but okay.
It is so good, guys. Like, look at that.
They can see it. Oh, so weird.
Yeah, he likes to mess with it. But he's horrible with slime because he doesn't know how to do it.
Horrible with that one. Horrible with this one.
Because you don't know how to mess around with it. You just sit there
But this one I'm really good at.
Because it doesn't stick to your hands.
I like it.
See? So that's the crunchy slime it just has, as you can see. Here, I'll take one out.
It has little beads in it.
Oh,
That we got from a chair.
Beads, yeah, from a
Beanbag chair.
a Big Joe chair at a friend's house. I had slime. I made it yesterday, and I had taken it over there. I wanted to make full slime. It was just a plain slime until there was a girl there.
Yeah. The YouTuber I got.
Yeah, and so she asked me, how about if I take the beads from the Big Joe, and because it had a hole in it and they were all coming out and everything, so we made the hole a tiny bigger, and then we stuck our finger in and kept pulling them out, and like just pulling the beads out of the bag and taking it from, because they were falling out, so they were leaking out, so we just took them.
Did you guys break up and then get it together?
So basically, guys, this is the slime. This is the first time I'm gonna touch it. Oh, bro, this is lit. It's lit. It's so good. It's not that sticky or anything. And still, I just made it, so you gotta get used to it too. So I'm gonna put it back in the bowl and keep mixing a little.
I think that's good.
I know. I'm just saying.
Tell them how you made it.
Yeah. So basically, guys, that's how you. So that's how you do it. I know. My cousin was asking me about a bunch of things during the video. Being weird and kind of annoying a little bit. But do you know what Stretch Armstrongs are? That's gonna be in the next video, guys. Peace.